So here's this door closer. It looks like an LCN, maybe, but it looks new. Go ahead and cycle it for you guys. Closes really good. Cycle it one more time. Alright, then I'll move on to the next closer. And here's this other closer. Looks like a Norton or something.
Good morning. Good morning.
This one also closes nicely. Alright, and then I'll move on to the next closer. And then here's this other closer. Looks small. It looks like a towel or some sort. Little fast, but it closes smooth. Alright, on to the next one. And then here's this one right here. Looks like a vintage one. Yeah, that doesn't look good. And then the one next to it looks like I don't know, it looks like a replacement one to that one. It looks newer-ish. That one is also fast. Probably needs to be adjusted. Alright, on to the next closer. Alright. And there's two more other closers. I can't film them right now because people are going in and out. But here's this one for now. Looks like an LCN because of this bracket right here. But it has a different body in this, so I don't know what's going on here. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate it. I think it's the hold open one. Nope. Closes really nicely. Alright, that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching.